Hi guys! Welcome sa ASIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus. Sa previous video ay napag-aralan natin that the limit of sin x divided by x as x approaches 0 is equal to 1. Now kung babalikan niyo yung video na yon, ang x ay yung measure ng angle. So in most books, yung x ay theta. So the limit as theta approaches 0 of sin theta over theta. Of course, you may use other letters, no? Pwede rin the limit as t approaches 0 of sin t divided by t. Okay? So in this video, ang gagawin natin ay gagamitin natin yung theorem na yan na pinrove natin sa previous video to solve some problems, no? For example, sa number 1, what is the limit as x approaches 0 of sin 3x divided by x? So kung mapapansin nyo, whatever the variable here, ganun din yung variable sa baba, no? So since meron tayong sin 3x, dapat 3x din yung nasa ibaba, no? And we can only do that by multiplying the denominator by 3. So copy muna natin. So this is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of sin 3x divided by x times 3 divided by 3. So pwede na natin i-multiply, no? This is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of 3 sin 3x divided by 3x. And since isang fraction na siya, hindi na natin kailangan yung brackets. Now notice that 3 is a constant, so we can pull it out front. This becomes 3 times the limit as x approaches 0 of sin 3x divided by 3x. And kung mapapansin nyo, pareho na yung angle at saka yung nasa ibaba, no? Maybe we should put the parenthesis here. And if we let 3x be equal to theta, magiging limit of sin theta divided by theta as theta approaches 0. No? Again, if theta is equal to 3x, of course, as 3x approaches 0, theta also approaches 0. So pwede nating palitan ng theta approaches 0 here. Which means that this is just equal to 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. Kasi itong part na to ay equal to 1. Okay? Now for the second number, we have the limit of sin t divided by 2t as t approaches 0. So let's copy first the given. So copy and paste. So dito pwede ba natin gawing times 2 over 2 yung sin t over 2t? No. Kasi pag yung sin t, pag binultiply natin yan ng times 2, magiging 2 sin t siya. Hindi siya magiging sin 2t, no? So, anong gagawin natin? So, we can rewrite this as the limit as t approaches 0 of 1/2 times sin t over t, which is equal to 1/2. Pwede natin ilabas yung 1/2, diba? Kasi constant siya. Times the limit as t approaches 0 of sin t divided by t, which is equal to 1/2 times 1, no? Kasi this part is equal to 1. So 1/2 times 1 is just 1/2. Okay, so for number 3, we have the limit of sin 5x divided by sin 3x as x approaches 0. Again, we copy. So this is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of sin 5x divided by sin 3x, and then I multiply by 1 over x, yung kaniyang numerator at denominator. So this is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 5x times 1 over x divided by the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 3x times 1 divided by x. Okay, so napag-aralan natin yan, no? Yung quotient rule of limits. Pwede natin paghiwalayin yung quotient. Pwedeng maging limit ng numerator tsaka limit ng denominator. And we know that this is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 5x divided by x divided by the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 3x divided by x. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong 5 dito, pero x lang yun dito. Meron tayong 3 dito, pero x lang yun nandito. 1 lang, ibig sabihin yung kanyang coefficient. So katulad nung ginawa natin sa number 1, pwede natin i-multiply by 5 over 5, yung numerator, tsaka yung denominator by 3 over 3. So we can copy this para hindi na tayo magsulat ulit. Lagyan natin ang equal sign and then times 5 over 5 tsaka times 3 over 3. And this is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of 5 sine 5x divided by 5x, where we can pull out 5 kasi siya ay constant. So pwede na natin ito ilapit dito. And then ganun din yung denominator, no? We can pull out 3. Tapos the limit as x approaches 0 of sine 3x divided by 3x. So pareho na yung nandito tsaka nandito. Pareho na rin yung nandito tsaka nandito. Meaning, this is actually equal to 1. And this is also equal to 1. And 5 times 1 divided by 3 times 1 is this is just equal to 5/3. Alright, so that's it. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating practice exercises on the application of the limit of sine x divided by x as x approaches 0 is equal to 1. So ito yung application ng formula na pinrove natin sa previous video.